Yo, what's going on everyone? I am back. It's been ages since I've uploaded a video. It's been a week, but I have been so busy so I couldn't make any videos. However, I am back better than ever, and in today's video what I'll actually be doing is covering XLM Stellar Lumens and what I think about the price and when I think XLM Stellar Lumens will actually break out. So it's going to be an absolutely amazing video. Make sure you watch till the end to actually understand what I'm trying to say. But let's not waste any more time. You guys know the drill. I'm not a financial advisor. You can lose your money if you listen to me. Let's get right into it. Right guys, so I'm in the daily chart for XLM Stellar Lumens, and I wanted to show you guys something very interesting because a lot of people are currently a bit frustrated with the performance of XLM Stellar Lumens. So I'm going to do what I do normally on the channel by looking at the previous trends and then comparing it to what can happen now. So if you actually draw the Fibonacci retracement level on the past breakout here, we are able to see that whenever XLM Stellar Lumens has that test to the trend line up there, it always gets rejected, comes down to basically dipping just below the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and then going back up and float around the 0.382 to 0.5 retracement level, and then finally coming down again to have that test of the 0.618 level before having its breakout to the upside. Now if I do the same analysis on the most recent breakout, we are able to see the pattern almost repeats itself, where we get rejected very badly from that high that we made, that 60-cent target I told you guys about, and then we came all the way down and we almost dipped to the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level. Yes, this was also because of the Bitcoin crash, but the trend still is intact, and then we saw that retracement back floating around 0.5 to 0.38 and then coming down, and guys, just as before, coming down to these 0.618 Fibonacci retracement levels, and we are doing the same thing right now where we are coming to test the 0.618 level again. So what does this mean, guys? Well, essentially, if you actually look at how long XLM Stellar Lumens took for a breakout in the past, we can basically see how long we have left. Now before I actually recorded the video, I drew this time frame tool and I basically counted the amount of bars that we had before we had the breakout. So in our last breakout we had 22 bars before we had the breakout, so that's around 22 days. And now if we actually move this here, we can see that our breakout should have been probably somewhere around 7th of March, but that did not happen. Now guys, I want to delve a bit deeper into this, so let me go in the 1 hour chart and I can do some more analysis. Now guys, I am in the 1 hour chart right now and I have drawn some lines. This is our downtrend line that XLM Stellar Lumens has been testing and getting rejected from. And after we saw that Bitcoin dump, we did see the altcoins crash around 40%, and this was our bottom, which was around 30 cents, very close to that 27-cent target I was talking about. And then since then we were starting to go on this uptrend. Now guys, this is the very important thing right here, because when we were on this uptrend right here, we were about to converge with this long-term downtrend right here. So I was looking for a potential breakout to the upside just to test this long-term trend line that we had, which was around 50 cents. However, this did not happen, which was a bit of a shame because it almost correlated with our previous breakout which we had in our previous move, and I've basically just copied this 22 bar on our current breakout, and you can see that it almost correlates very nicely with this conversion right here. So this would have been a good prediction for people to say the breakout is coming around 5th of March. However, we did break down actually from this to actually test that 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and now guys, we are basically using that 0.618 Fibonacci retracement as support right now. So you guys might be wondering, okay, now I have a good idea on what XLM Stellar Lumens is doing. What happens next? Well, I'll show you guys what I think will happen now. Right guys, so I'm in the 1-day chart again, and I want to show you guys something very interesting where basically whenever XLM Stellar Lumens has that breakout, it normally has that double bottom on the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level. And if you draw the Fibonacci retracement level on our most recent breakout, we can see the double top on the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level again. Now this is a clear bottom on the 0.618 level, just like before, as you guys can see here. So this does give me an indication on a potential breakout coming soon. And our RSI is very similar to our last breakout, where in the previous breakout our RSI was normally around 43, and now the RSI is 150 right now. So it is very similar to our previous breakout currently, and I would not be surprised if XLM Stellar Lumens actually makes that break to the upside. Now how high can it go? Well, essentially, first of all, what I'll be looking at, if we actually extrapolate our long-term trend line here, I will be looking at a movement to test that trend line all the way up to 60 cents. and then once it breaks that, then I'll be looking to see it test that long-term trend line around 70 cents. So it's very exciting. So if you actually come in the Bitcoin chart right now, we can see that on the Fibonacci retracement level we are above that one-to-one retracement that we had. I was talking about this very important 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, where in the past we always got rejected at this level and then came down. So I was predicting that if we actually get rejected from this level, we would be going down to test the trend line like how we have done in the past. However, Bitcoin decided to absolutely break through the 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level, and that was a clear indicator for me that Bitcoin has actually avoided its crash and it's going to keep on going up, and that's exactly what it did. It has been going up. We have reached a new all-time high at $60,000 at the moment. I do think we are nearing our top. If we compare this to past data, we do see that Bitcoin will basically make one more top, and I predict it might be around this 1.618 Fibonacci retracement extension, and then we might be looking at some consolidation, and that's where I see all season come into play. And with that timeline, I do see XLM Stellar Lumens having its breakout once all season starts, because normally all season starts when Bitcoin actually makes its move and starts consolidating, and that's when you see all these altcoins absolutely pop off. So that's something I am looking forward to for XLM Stellar Lumens. To actually summarize this video, what I think for XLM Stellar Lumens is that we might be seeing a potential breakout, because having our trend of having that downtrend, uptrend again, then downtrend all the way to 0.618, and then seeing the pop off has almost been completed, where we saw this retracement down and then uptrend again, and now we are coming down to test the 0.618 level again, and now hopefully we should see this breakout very soon. I can't say when this will happen, but it is looking good for XLM Stellar Lumens. But anyways guys, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to make another video for today. It's going to be about XLM Stellar Lumens, and some absolutely crazy news has come out, so I'll be talking about that. And also guys, I will be talking about other altcoins as well. This is not just an XLM Stellar Lumens channel. I will be talking about other altcoins as well, so make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, join the Discord. The link is down in the description below, because while I was gone for a week, I was very active on the Discord, so people were asking me questions, we were having discussions, so it was all good. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.